Hi viewers, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today we will make chicken mayonnaise macaroni, which will be very delicious. Subscribe to our channel, like the videos. Let's start the recipe. Look, we took a clean pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee in it. Add a teaspoon of garlic paste in it. Slightly toast it. The garlic paste is slightly cooked. Some vegetables will go into it. Little bit boiled peas. Finely chopped capsicum. You can also add vegetables according to your desire. Little bit cabbage. Little bit carrots in slices. We will put all these vegetables in it. Don't overcook them. Just cook for 1 minute. Now add little bit green part of the spring onion and little bit white part of the spring onion. Just cook them lightly. Look, 1 minute passed away while cooking them. Now we will add 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. A teaspoon of black pepper. Salt ½ teaspoon. Now the chicken chunks will go inside it. Let me tell you how I made it. I took little bit boneless chicken. In it I added a teaspoon of black pepper and ½ a teaspoon of salt. Add some garlic paste and marinate it for a while. Then cooked it in a little oil. Add chicken chunks. Now add little bit milk in it. About 3 tablespoons and we'll mix it. Look! The sauce is cooking. Now add a cup of boiled macaroni in it. Mix it and cook it just for a minute. Do not overcook it. Look! Chicken mayonnaise macaroni is ready. Put some mint leaves in it. Mix it. Let's serve it for final look. Take a clean plate and put all the chicken mayonnaise macaroni in it. Look! Creamy, juicy chicken mayonnaise macaroni is ready. We made this delicious recipe within 2 minutes only, so tell me how you like this recipe in the comment box. Share with family and friends. Subscribe to the channel. I will be back with a new video. Goodbye.